fishing only using rod and reel. Diyan lang tayo guys. Oop. Biglang nag-iba ang ating cellphone guys. Okay lang. Enjoy lang. Okay guys. Tingnan natin guys kung ano din ang activities ang mahuli natin dito ngayon sa umaga nito. If nothing, back to the pantalan and try catching maputi. Okay. And we have another fisherman is arriving and checking to the tulay. Welcome, Atulay. O matang baka, magtawagin guys. O may malaking plastic siya guys. Ha? Alright. Let's go. Enjoy. Lulusong na, MacArthur. Dapat inantaw mo na yung ano mo. Dinugto mo muna yung stick mo. Dala ko cellphone ko eh. Baka mabasa eh. May ano na lang ako. Pag wala, maputi na lang ako dyan sa pantalan. Okay. Mga Atulay lovers guys. Sinisalma ko pag may nakuha ka para lumusong ako. No? Kung nandyan na. Ang laki guys oh. Ano yun? Ang guys, ang laki ya guys oh. Laking mama guys. Hup, hup. Hup, hup. Hup. Laki. Ah. Guys, laki. First cast natin. Continuous lang guys. Guys, number 2. Ay may ano yun? Hirap guys. Oh. Morning. Only starting. Yeah. I catch already at 2. Only starting. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, so oh, you moved the bar. Yeah. Hey shit. Come on here. All right. Morning guys. Continuous na guys. Guys, si mama fighting guys, si Papa J guys oh. Another one, I divorced already guys. Guys, oh, woohoo! Ma! Another one. Andiyan naman. Hop. Uy. Pakap ka, atas ka. Alright guys, woohoo! Ayan na naman guys.
Wow, big mama.
Big mama guys, but I don't find a mama in the land.
Oh my gosh.
Hey guys, continuous natin na. I love you guys. Ika, ano mag-op? Iyo po. Yan guys. Thank you po sis. The maputi na winning yesterday. $200 guys. Woo! But si Papa guys. Simple lang.
Congratulations to me. And
Yeah.
to you also. You
Yeah. Oh. Sabi mo panalo siya guys. $200.
always cut si Mama.
And look at the pressing guys. Woohoo! Continuous lang. Enjoy lang. Alright. This is it. Okay, so there's a lot catching that tulay guys. See? At tulay. Yeah. But me, dito na tayo sa pantal guys. Up. Okay. Dito na tayo guys pantal guys. Steady pulse na tayo guys. Ha? Right. Steady pulse lang. Uy, laki na naman guys. Up. Ay. Oh. Ang laki naman guys. Ayun guys oh. Hindi pwede yan. Oh, woo! Harvest time guys. Ha? Continuous na tayo guys. Alright. Oh. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 na tayo. Mamimaya, marami na yun guys. Laki maputi na guys oh. Ha? So, laki guys oh. Mama. Laki guys oh. Oop. Wow. Oop. Malaki. Morning. Cheers natin guys. See? Episode mo guys oh. Morning. Enjoy lang. Guys, still raining guys. Yung mga atulay guys, so kung sa Tagalog matang baka guys. Pero tayo time to go home kasi already low tide and then it's okay, already catching too. See? Yeah, Mr. B. Ayan. Hi guys. Dito lang tayo sa pantalan kahit paano. May uli pa tayo kung gusto yung pang catching atulay. That's better this place because it's very aggressive that tulay. I know in the Papua, but since yesterday it's a lot catching only like a 5 kayat only. Okay, that's the one I train catching, and this is my catching guys. Look. Okay, ready for me ha. Yan ang huli natin guys. Kahit paano, mayroon tayong huli. Especially some already losing also. Right? Okay guys, set out. My darling sa California, Mr. B, and Mami Linda, and Anit, Tomboy, and Omar Oeste guys. Okay, thank you for watching guys. God bless you. I love you mama, and I love you papa. And mama in the beach guys. Love you guys. God bless to you guys. See you soon. Yes, this is it guys. Ito na yung huli natin guys sa pantalan. This is it. But I lot also losing like 4 fishes. It's good at least still have catching. And supposed to be I trying also to going to the catching the atulay, but I see it. There's a lot of people there already guys. That's why I changed my mind. I going to pantalan only. And this is my catching today. This is okay already. Alright guys, thank you guys. Please subscribe my channel, like and subscribe guys. Thank you. See you soon guys. I love you guys. Alright. Tomorrow again guys.